Let's be real. The America that we're seeing today is the same America that it's always been. The only difference is the masks are off. So here's my question. Why are we so quick to protect the legacy of someone who never protected us? It's easy to talk about empathy until the room gets uncomfortable, until the person who's been spreading the poison gets taken out. And suddenly folks want to hold hands and sing Kumbaya. But empathy doesn't mean erasure. You can acknowledge tragedy without rewriting who that person was. Charlie Kirk built his platform mocking, demeaning, and minimizing Black voices, especially Black women. He justified violence in the name of the Second Amendment and told America we were the problem. So when people rush to sanitize his image now, it is not empathy, it's erasure. My breakthrough is this: I can hold space for his family's grief without erasing the damage he's caused. Both can be true at the same time. So here's your challenge. Don't let anyone guilt you into silencing your truth in the name of fake unity. You can wish violence didn't happen and still refuse to whitewash the legacy of the one who sowed division. And if you're tired of being told to swallow your truth in the name of politeness, respectability politics, Sacred Space is where we have these conversations without watering them down. Click the Linktree link for a 4-day free trial and come process with folks who won't gaslight you for feeling how you feel. And if this spoke to you, do me a favor and like this video, share it with someone who is wrestling with these same questions, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep building this space together. Until the next time, be blessed. Bye.